they're in over 90% of homes. They save time, heat food in seconds, but some people say they're secretly dangerous. Do microwaves really destroy nutrients? Could they cause cancer? Today, we break down what science really says and separate fact from fear. When microwaves first appeared in kitchens around the 1970s, they were new, and people feared what they didn't fully understand. The word radiation itself sounds scary. And over time, rumors spread, microwaves change the structure of food, make it radioactive, or cause cancer. But is any of this true? Microwaves use non-ionizing radiation, a harmless type of energy, to make water molecules in food vibrate, creating heat. This is completely different from ionizing radiation, like X-rays or gamma rays, which can damage DNA. So the idea that microwaves make food radioactive, scientifically impossible. All cooking methods change food. Heat-sensitive nutrients, like vitamin C, break down whether you boil, steam, bake, or microwave. Interestingly, microwaving often preserves more nutrients because cooking times are shorter and you can use less water. In some tests, microwaved vegetables kept more antioxidants than boiled ones. One real risk is heating food in plastic containers, not labeled microwave safe. Some plastics can leach chemicals, like BPA, or phthalates into food. The solution: always use glass or microwave-safe containers. A few practical tips keep microwaving even safer. Cover food to avoid splatters and cook evenly. Stir halfway to distribute heat. Use a food thermometer for meats. And avoid superheating liquids that might suddenly erupt. So, do microwaves cause cancer? Scientific evidence says no. Do they destroy food nutrition? Only as much as any cooking method, and sometimes even less. The real danger is in how you use them, especially with plastics. Did you learn something new today? If you did, give us a like and subscribe to Health 10 for weekly myth-busting videos. And let us know, do you use your microwave every day, or do you avoid it?